To cultivate self-love, dedicate a few moments each day to reconnect with yourself and treat yourself like your best friend. Acknowledge your self-worth and understand that loving yourself is foundational for building healthy relationships. Challenge negative thoughts by reframing them and practice acceptance of your flaws as integral parts of who you are. Focus on your efforts rather than striving for perfection, and consciously practice gratitude to shift your perspective from negative to positive. Speak kindly to yourself, avoid jumping to worst-case scenarios, and regularly list your positive attributes to reinforce your self-worth. Allow yourself time to reflect and recharge, and celebrate your accomplishments to affirm that you deserve love and kindness.